Guys, you are watching Unicoda. This video will be in English so as to reach maximum audience since all the students from all over the country are attending NEET and JEE exams. Until now we were talking in Kannada so that we will be reaching just KCET students. Now since NEET and JEE is there, so we will be talking in English. So this video will be in English, guys. So this video will be based on NEET and JEE postponement updates. The NEET and JEE exams which are scheduled on September in this year. So there are many trends going on for the postponement and not postponement of the NEET and JEE exams. So we'll see the clear glimpse of the all the updates, what are going on, what are developments of postponement of NEET and JEE exams now on Unicora Education. So let's get started, guys. Yeah, headlines. As per reports, 11 JEE and NEET students from 11 states have filed a petition in the Supreme Court for seeking relief for postponement of the JEE Advanced 2020 and NEET 2020 exams. So 11 students from 11 states have filed a petition in Supreme Court. That's to be noted. And then conducting the aforesaid examination across India at such perilous time is nothing else but putting lives of lakhs of young students, including petitioners who have filed, means 11 students, at utmost risk and danger of disease and death. The plea is also saying this. So then, COVID cases are rising alarmingly and students are suffering from severe stress and anxiety, said advocate Alok Srivastava, who was also the lawyer for the petition which was filed against the UGC guidelines on university exams. So the Indian Wide Parents Association, IWPA, it had already sent a letter to NTA saying to cancel the exams for until COVID-19 is reduced. So next, while deciding to conduct the aforesaid JEE and NEET exams in the September 2020, the respondents, means the NTA, have overlooked that many states have refused to allow conducting of professional or non-professional exams. I mean, in many states where COVID-19 is spiking day by day, the professional and non-professional exams are cancelled already, and it's prohibited. Exams are prohibited until any new notification is released. So NTA has also taken it into consideration. That was informed by the plea, means the petition. So it's respectively submitted that students who are well equipped with computer and strong internet connection, means if you have internet connection and computer, they'll be able to give online exams. If many students, around 50% of students, will not be having those, what the required things, the online, for the online exams, the internet connection, computer, they will be facing a problem in that. So this will be a discrimination between students which must be avoided, it claimed. So the plea has alleged that concerned authorities have ignored the plight of lakhs of students from Bihar, Assam, and northeastern states where flood is going on. So how can they prepare, how can they write the exams? It's actually inhuman, actually. So despite our written request, Education Ministry, NTA, have not yet postponed NEET and JEE exams, Mr. Srivastava, who is the lawyer, has said. So now let's look up on KCET exam. Yeah, KCET exam was conducted on July 30 and 31st. So they had released SOP, means Standard Operating Procedure. In the standard operating procedure, they will be mentioning all the procedures we will be taking care of while conducting the exams, where sections will be introduced, everything. They are told to maintain distance, social distancing to be maintained, but this is the reality of KCET exams where SOP was not followed. This was the reality where, see, you can see here what is the social distancing, where I am showing here what is the social distancing which is carried on here. So this will create a, it's really impossible to conduct exams in this situation. So this is what the KCET reality, it's the Karnataka CET exam which will be conducted in Karnataka for engineering entrances and also the biological courses, veterinary courses. So if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel for now for getting more updates. So now let's move on to the Twitter trends going on. This is the tweet which was tweeted by Alok Srivastava, which is the lawyer, who the advocate who has filed the petition in the Supreme Court with the 11 students from 11 states. So he has written, despite our written request, Education Ministry and NTA have not yet postponed NEET and exam. COVID cases are rising alarmingly and students are suffering from severe stress and anxiety. So we are filing a petition in Supreme Court today. Today means this was from August 6th. From August 6th, the petition is filed from 11 students and with the advocate Alok Srivastava. So this is the petition from Postpone KCD side. And now let's look up on the Twitter trends going on with hashtag do not postpone NEET and JEE. Archana Roy, which is student, also tweeted that yes, if any student is having conveyance issues that is considerable, otherwise the sincere students will really suffer if the exam is postponed, she say. So another tweet, extremely depressing if NEET is postponed. Health is important, so are the aspirations. So they have equated health and aspirations, but it's not like that, bro. But what to do, they have tweeted of medical students that have worked hard to join the workforce. So Krishna Kumar Chowdhury and Archana Roy says hashtag do not postpone NEET and JEE. While postpone NEET and JEE is the one side of the coin, the other side is do not postpone NEET and JEE, which is 50% 50%. So I'll also show you the poll results which we had organized on August 9th. So we found that 66% of the students want it to be postponed and 30% to be conducted as scheduled. Cancelled will not be a part of this video. So conducted and postponed have become two sides of a coin and 50% choice. So 1 by 2 is the probability in speaking JE. Yeah, 50% is the chance. So keep studying, guys. There will be no such clear guidelines released until now there is no clear guidelines released about that. But going through the final words, I wanted to note to you that according to the latest information will be conducted from September 1st and NEET on September 13th, JE on September 1st to 6th, and NEET on September 13th. So this is according to the latest information. Still the postponement, no postponement until now. There is no guideline regarding postponement. Yeah. Then while the majority want JE and NEET exams to be deferred. Yeah, coming back, guys. Well, the majority want JE and NEET exams to be deferred. Some also have demanded that the exams are conducted as per schedule. So until now, there is no correct guideline regarding postponement of exam. But the latest information says that it will be conducted. This word you have to note and keep studying, guys. Don't forget, keep studying. So if you want videos on any NEET or JE concepts, you can just comment it below. So we'll be uploading the same. So next we'll come through the thank you page. Thank you for watching this, guys. Like the video if you liked it and share this with your friends so that they will also get the information regarding the postponement, the developments of postponements in the NEET and JE. And subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel so that you will be getting the more updates like this and also some tips and tricks regarding NEET and JE exams. So bye bye, guys. Take care until the next video is uploaded.